Ako ko naman na lagi ka pakikinggan. Pagpakailanman.
Beautiful evening to see there, some gentlemen, fabulous looking ladies of Pickups of 86. Able to graduate with amazing men and women of Income Class 86. Many wisdom was learned. There's ups and downs, but we conquered all. It just made us stronger to prepare for better tomorrow. For now, that's what I always say at my job sites. Work and work hard and be smart, we save and make plenty money. In here tonight, I say make memories, have fun, more fun, and less party. That's still the rock. But first, the big that's involved. Take advantage of it. Thank you. Mahalo, mabuhay, long live, that's last 86.
Ibig ko ang Bus 86. Ito ang tahanan ng may kakaibang lahi. Ako'y kanyang kinukubok at tinutulungan upang maging malakas, maligaya, kahit walang pakinabang. Ngayong gabi, hindi ako uuwi hanggat hindi pa sinasabi ng MC. Susundin ko ang mga tuntunin na walang cellophane. Walang isip.
Walang isip.
Walang saksalita.
Walang isang salita.
Pero may gawa.
Pero may gawa.
Thank you very much.
2, 3.
This is just a real move. It is a powerful reminder of the enduring impact of our high school years, the friendship we built, and the memories that helped shape our lives. 39 years. Wow. 39 years. Think about for a second. 39